Have you ever wondered if your Tesla car could actually drive itself? You've probably seen videos online showcasing Teslas navigating through traffic, changing lanes, and even parking autonomously. But is this technology really ready for prime time? Let's dive into the world of Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. The idea of self-driving cars has been a staple of science fiction for decades. But in recent years, it's become a reality thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, computer vision, and sensor technology. Tesla has been at the forefront of this revolution with its autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) features. Autopilot. Let's start with autopilot. This is a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that can help you steer, accelerate, and brake automatically. It's designed to make your driving experience safer and more convenient. Adaptive cruise control. One of the core features of autopilot is adaptive cruise control. This allows your Tesla to maintain a safe following distance from the car ahead. Automatic steering. Autopilot can also help you steer your car within a lane. It uses cameras and sensors to detect lane markings and keep your vehicle centered. Auto lane change. If you activate auto lane change, your Tesla can automatically change lanes when it's safe to do so. Traffic-aware cruise control. This feature allows your Tesla to adjust its speed based on traffic conditions. For example, it can slow down as you approach a traffic jam. Full self-driving. While autopilot is impressive, Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) capability takes things to the next level. FSD is a beta feature that is still under development. It aims to enable your Tesla to drive itself without human intervention. Navigate on autopilot. One of the key features of FSD is Navigate on autopilot. This allows your Tesla to plan and execute a route, including entering and exiting highways. Smart Summon. FSD also includes Smart Summon. This feature allows you to summon your Tesla to you from a parking space using your smartphone. Valet parking. In the future, FSD may enable your Tesla to park itself in a parking lot without any human assistance. Limitations and challenges. While autopilot and FSD are impressive technologies, they are not perfect. There are still limitations and challenges that need to be addressed. Weather conditions. Adverse weather conditions, such as heavy rain or snow, can impair the performance of Tesla's sensors. Construction zones. Construction zones can be challenging for self-driving cars, as they may involve lane closures or unexpected obstacles. Human error. Even with advanced technology, human error can still play a role. Drivers must remain vigilant and be prepared to take control of the vehicle at any time. The future of self-driving cars. The future of self-driving cars is exciting and uncertain. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more impressive capabilities. However, it's important to approach this technology with caution and to understand its limitations. So, does Tesla car drive itself? The answer is, not quite yet. While autopilot and FSD are impressive technologies, they still require human supervision and intervention. As Tesla continues to refine these features, we may see a future where self-driving cars become a common sight on our roads. If you own a Tesla or are considering purchasing one, it's important to understand the capabilities and limitations of autopilot and FSD. Be sure to do your research and carefully consider your needs before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.